Hi guys, welcome back to Logiri. How are you all doing? Today we are going to discuss mistakes or problems CLAT 2021 aspirants faced and what we can learn as a CLAT 2022 or 2023 aspirant, what I can learn from CLAT 2021 aspirants, what I should do, what I should include in my preparation, which are the topics, I should prepare, some of the changes that you should make, and so that you do not commit the same mistakes or you do not face the same problems as CLAT 2021 aspirants faced. Right now, how did I get to know? Obviously, मेरे बच्चों ने मुझे बताया, they came back and they told me everything, that this is one problem that we faced, these were our mistakes. I've taken screenshots. मैंने कुछ polls conduct करे थे YouTube पे और Instagram पे. I'm going to share everything with you guys so that you learn and you do not commit any of these mistakes when you are doing your preparation or when you take the CLAT exam. Let's get started. This is going to be a really interesting and useful video for all of you guys. Let's get started. Yeah guys, welcome to Logiri. I hope you're subscribed to Logiri's YouTube channel and hit that bell notification so that you do not miss any of our videos. And I hope you're following us on Instagram. We're there by the name at I am Logiri. We do pretty motivational stuff out there. If you want to stay happy, if you want to stay motivated, and if you want to stay connected a little more with Logiri, then do follow us on Instagram. The very first question that I asked my CLAT aspirants, 2021 CLAT aspirants, was the CLAT 2021 exam was easy or difficult. 37% said that it was easy, while 63% said कि difficult था exam. 419 students voted for easy, while 715 students voted for difficult, said that it was difficult. मैंने YouTube पे भी एक poll conduct किया अपने community page पे Logiri के. उसके अंदर 8% said that it was easy, 61% said that it was moderate, and 30% said it was difficult. As many as 1.7k students voted and almost 23 hours के लिए ये posted रहा वहाँ पर. अभी भी posted है, but उसके बाद मैंने screenshot लिया. So 61% said that it was moderate. तो ये याद रखना, because I'm going to discuss in detail ये सारा डाटा आपके साथ शेयर करके I'm going to discuss with you कि क्यों क्या कैसे हुआ. राइट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो मैंने इंस्टाग्राम पे पूछा वो था व्हाट वर द प्रॉब्लम्स दैट यू फेस्ड इन क्लैट 2021 एग्जाम. तो स्टूडेंट्स ने क्या कहा सो मतलब ठीक ठीक, very difficult, very easy दी just because of you, thank you so much, a lot of guiding me in the right direction, fine, you're welcome, I didn't write well, moderate, they proved CLAT is unpredictable, I think they even don't know what mindset they set, with what mindset they set the paper, time management, late OMR sheet, okay fine, time management, CR was like better version of RC, was bit lengthy and was different from last year paper as well as last year sample paper, especially GK section. English section is difficult one. Unexpected, legal was lengthy and GK was unexpected, like old articles, like very old articles. Maths was weird, time management, GK completely sucked, logical reasoning, time, lengthy, a very weird problem, okay, lengthy passages were beyond the word limit, current affairs was related to government schemes, legal and GK. Types of questions are passage based on passage, even maths too, time management started from GK. The exam was doable, I found it pretty easy. The only problem was that it was lengthy. This was something most of the students with whom I had a chat or talked to them over phone, they told me this only, that the exam doable था, हम कर सकते थे, ऐसा नहीं था कि बिल्कुल ही वेग क्वेश्चंस डाले हुए थे या बहुत ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चंस थे. बहुत डुएबल एग्जाम था बट बहुत ज़्यादा लेंदी था. राइट. Now, lengthy, time management, it was too lengthy, paper is too lengthy, I bet even the organizers of CLAT paper cannot complete in 2 hours. Okay, fine. So, I have noted all of these, and towards the end of the video, we're going to discuss that what you should do so that you don't face these problems, or what were the changes that took place in the CLAT 2021 exam. I was able to complete the CLAT 2021 exam. So the next question that I asked was that were you able to complete the exam or not? Because most of the students were saying that it was lengthy, we were not able to complete the exam, on all that stuff. So 38% said yes, we were able to complete the exam, while 62% said no, we were not able to complete the exam. 302 votes for yes, that they were able to complete the exam, while 498 votes for no, that they were not able to complete the exam. So remember, there were students who were able to complete the exam. So there are ways that you can complete the exam. Mistakes to avoid. Now this is very important. Number one, lengthy or time management. This was one of the problems. सबने बोला, हमने जितने भी रिप्लाई देखे मोस्टली सबने यही बोला कि लेंदी था और हम टाइम मैनेज नहीं कर पाए. तो क्या करना चाहिए हमें अपने, जब हम प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं, when we are preparing for exam, we should not only study, read theory, we should practice maximum questions also, right? After reading theory, we get to know how we have to solve, what is the meaning, what is that and what is not, but practicing is very, very important. So you are going to practice maximum questions, and once you are done with a chapter, once you are done with the topic, what you need to do is you need to attempt topic wise tests. You need to take topic wise tests. I'm trying to upload as many as I can on www.loggery.com. You need to take topic wise tests. You need to take section wise tests, right? For example, once you're done with your English, you're going to solve 5 to 6 RCs like almost every week back to back till you start solving in 5 to 6 RCs in just 30 to 35 minutes. Now this is what you need to practice, and if you practice this, you can do this. This is achievable. This is achievable, right? So this is what you need to do for all sections, topic wise tests. Once you're done with your topic, I do tell you that on weekends you should test yourself, so you should give yourself questions and you should increase your speed. And the next is section wise test. And obviously when you're done with more and more syllabus, when you're done with more than one section, or once you're done with the entire syllabus, you have to attempt more and more mock tests. Now why I'm not telling you to start taking mock tests from the beginning. Now most of the candidates, what they do is from the very beginning they start taking mock tests, and then what happens, I'm going to tell you. They're not yet done with the syllabus. You're not yet done with the syllabus, and then they score really less in their mock tests. Obviously you're not done with the syllabus, you're going to score less in the mock tests, right? So their confidence is not that high. They don't feel confident if they solve mock tests because the syllabus is not complete. They don't know they don't know how to solve questions related to various topics. What I will suggest is wait for your maximum syllabus to get completed, at least the most important topics to get completed, and then start taking mocks. Till then, once you complete a topic, take a topic test, or once you're done with your section, try to take section wise tests, right? I'll try to upload as many section tests, as many topic wise tests as I can. For maths, I think I've posted for most of the chapters, for most of the topics. For I'll start posting for legal aptitude and your logical and all of that thing. I'll start doing that soon. So that is what you need to do. Lengthy, time management. This is the only way to do that is practice, and also time yourself. It is very important that you time yourself. When you give yourself, say you say, okay, I have to solve these 40 questions, then you time yourself that I'll be taking say 30 minutes or 40 minutes or 50 minutes. In the beginning you give yourself more time, and afterwards you reduce that time.
One more thing that I want to tell you is that मैंने एक वीडियो करी है जहाँ पे मैंने बताया नेगेटिव मार्किंग कैसे हैंडल करनी है, टाइम मैनेजमेंट कैसे करना है, किस सेक्शन को कितना टाइम आपको देना चाहिए. वो इस बार ही मैंने क्लैट 2021 के लिए टुवर्ड्स द एंड करी, एंड आई हैव रियलाइज्ड दैट यू शुड वॉच दैट वीडियो राइट नाउ. इफ़ यू आर अ क्लैट 2022-23 एस्पिरेंट, और यू आर अ क्लैट एस्पिरेंट इन जर्नल हु वांट्स टू अपीयर फॉर क्लैट, वो वीडियो देखो. और जब भी सेक्शन टेस्ट दे रहे हो अपने आप को टाइम करो. अगर मैंने कहा है कि जीके आपकी 15 मिनट्स में होनी चाहिए, तो 6-7 पैसेजेस लो और उतने ही क्वेश्चंस ट्राई करो कि 10 to 15 मिनट्स में आप अटेम्प्ट कर पा रहे हो. रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन मैंने कहा 30 मिनट्स में आपका इंग्लिश सेक्शन हो जाना चाहिए. तो हर सेक्शन को अगर सेक्शन वाइज भी, मतलब अकेला एक सेक्शन भी सॉल्व कर रहे हो ना, तो आपने अपने आप को टाइम करना है. उसके लिए यू कैन चेक आउट दैट वीडियो, लिंक इज गोइंग टू बी इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो.
Next is unexpected current affairs. Now this was another comment that you guys might have read again and again, that current affairs was unexpected. Now was it out of syllabus? What was there? Now what was expected? What was expected? Expected was that very, very important questions are going to be there. Okay, because in 2020 what happened, in 2020 very, very important topics were picked up, those topics about which everyone knew. Even if you would have read the newspaper for like a week, for 2 weeks or 3 weeks also, for like in the month of August, June, July, in the month of August, and the exam I think took place in September or October in 2020, I don't really remember. So they were really very important topics, and everyone knew about them, almost had in-depth knowledge about those topics, would be able to answer most of the questions. This was the situation. right? In 2021, what happened? In 2021, very, very important topics were not there, but those topics were there that were there in the newspaper. For example, India, China, the issue everyone knew, but also the topics that were not very, very important were there. So the topics that were okayish important were there, right? But they were there in the newspaper for sure. And also last year in 2020, what happened? The news was from, say, if exam took place in 2020 January till the date of the exam, the news was from that year itself. Questions were related from the news of 2020 itself, while in 2021 the questions were there from the news of 2020 as well, right? The questions were there from the news of 2020 as well. And also those people who had read one current affairs magazines, one monthly current affairs magazine, were in a better position to answer the questions, because number one, there were certain questions, if you are following current affairs magazine, you will be able to read that news there only. So let me tell you one thing, some of the news is not covered by your newspaper and is only covered by your current affairs magazine. So reading one current affairs magazine, monthly current affairs magazine, now your monthly current affairs magazine is not India Today or Frontline, no, they are not your current affairs magazine. Current affairs magazine are they are for competitive exams, for like UPSC, banking and stuff like that. You need to follow that magazine. It can be IS Vision, it can be Pratyogita Darpan, News and Events, or any other, but it should be a current affairs magazine for competitive exam, right? This you need to understand. So if you're following one current affair magazine and you're reading the newspaper, and if you have covered your news from January 2021 for your CLAT 2021 exam, then you are on the safe side, to be really frank, because that is what CLAT 2021 told us, that look, it is not that very year's news which is important, the previous year's news is also equally important. So that's why the students said that it was unexpected, because they were expecting that only very, very important topics are going to be there. For example, it was expected that the Israel-Palestine issue is going to be there for sure, Quad summit that took place, it is going to be there for sure. Nothing like that was there. But yes, the topics were from the newspaper. And if you read the newspaper, and also I want to tell you that at I am Loggery, on my Instagram handle at I am Loggery, we post the important news headlines every day. So if you are not able to find out that what is important and what is not in the newspaper, you should follow us on at I am Loggery. Pick up, like I take I put direct headlines. So if you are reading the Hindu, you'll know, okay, I have to read this news and this news. That will save your time. Now next is unpredictable. I think if I would go section wise here. English was very much easy, doable and predictable also, right? For your GK, yes, it was not predicted, because we were thinking that very important topics are going to be there, but still Loggery was telling you again and again to follow a current affairs magazine. I told you again and again to like all the CLAT 2021 aspirants always to follow a current affairs magazine. I'm telling you also, right? GK was unpredictable, but we cannot say it was out of syllabus. Like, we knew that we have to cover the current affairs, we knew that we have to read the newspaper, we knew that we have to read a current affairs magazine, so that we do not miss out on anything, right? This was doable, but this is somewhat our mistake, because we were ignorant. The students who were following a current affairs magazine and who were reading the newspaper regularly did not face any problem, right? This is what the students came and told me, right? The next section was logical reasoning, not at all unpredictable. This is what was predictable. Critical reasoning was there. Yes, the passages were lengthy. Next is your legal section, legal reasoning section. Now in the legal reasoning section, yes, it was unpredictable, because everyone expected that they're going to pick up current affairs topics like current legal news, and then they are going to frame questions out of that, but nothing like that happened. The questions were based on your basic law or legal concepts, like that of torts, contracts and all that. And if anyone had read, like most of the students read contracts, torts and criminal law, and even wherein I had given a 30-day schedule, I told you guys to read torts, contracts and criminal law, right? So they were able to solve those questions, but yes, it was unpredictable. So what you need to do, you need to be prepared for both. You need to read your torts, contracts, criminal law, Indian Constitution, And plus, whenever you're reading the newspaper, you have to go through the legal news and have a good understanding. For that, you can also watch my videos, that is weekly legal current affairs roundup videos, wherein I explain everything, like wherein I explain you the entire legal concept. You will understand legal news really nicely if you follow my videos, right? Completely free. Link is going to be in the description box. You can check it out. For Indian Constitution, you can also join my course. Link is going to be in the description box. Our topic is quantitative techniques, that is your maths and data interpretation. Now your maths and data interpretation, obviously data interpretation was something that was expected. A lot of students were not aware that data interpretation is something that they have to prepare for.
So maths or quantitative techniques was on the difficult side. Most of the students were not able to either reach the math section, वो पहुँच ही नहीं पाए क्योंकि पेपर इतना लेंदी था, या फिर वो सॉल्व नहीं कर पाए. कुछ बच्चे थे जिन्होंने डाटा इंटरप्रिटेशन की अच्छी प्रैक्टिस करी हुई थी, वो क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर पाए. तो येस, मैथ्स वॉज ऑन द डिफ़िकल्ट साइड, दैट इज़ क्वांटिटेटिव टेक्निक्स वॉज ऑन द डिफ़िकल्ट साइड. ओके,
सारे बच्चों को पता ही नहीं है कि डाटा इंटरप्रिटेशन भी पढ़कर जाना होता है मैथ्स के साथ साथ. डाटा इंटरप्रिटेशन से पहले आप मैथ्स के बेसिक्स अटेन करोगे, जो कि आपको 18 डेज वंडर बाय एस चंद की बुक में से पढ़ने होते हैं, ठीक है ना. टू चेक आउट द बुक्स, यू कैन चेक आउट माई द रीसेंट बुक्स वाला वीडियो. आई लीव द लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. सो मैं कहूँगी कि अगर आप अच्छे से प्रिपरेशन करके गए हो, जो मैं आपको बता रही हूँ हाउ टू प्रिपेयर एंड सब कुछ, आपको सिलेबस वाला वीडियो चेकआउट करना चाहिए जिसमें मैंने एनालिसिस किया है एग्जाम का, वो चेकआउट करना चाहिए. पैसेज बेस्ड क्वेश्चन, तो हमें ये क्लियर कट पता है कि क्लैट 2020 से, जो क्लैट 2020 से पहले एग्जाम्स होते थे वो पैसेज बेस्ड नहीं होते थे. क्लैट 2020 के बाद हर सेक्शन के अंदर पैसेजेस होंगे. आपकी रीडिंग स्पीड अच्छी होनी चाहिए, तभी मैं बार बार बोलती हूँ कि आपको न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ना चाहिए. न्यूज़पेपर का कोई भी शॉर्टकट नहीं है. अगर आप वीडियोस देखोगे जिसके अंदर शॉर्ट में बताया हुआ है और आप न्यूज़पेपर नहीं पढ़ोगे तो आपको कैसे हैबिट पड़ेगी. बोरिंग चीज़ है. आपको न्यूज़पेपर बोरिंग लगता है, जो टॉपिक आप इंटरेस्टेड नहीं हो वो पढ़ने की हैबिट पड़ती है अगर आप न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ते हो. तो न्यूज़पेपर जो है वो आपके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल है. अगर रीडिंग स्पीड बढ़ानी है, अगर आपको रीडिंग हैबिट डालनी है, जो कि डालनी पड़ेगी अगर आप क्लैट अच्छे से अटेम्प्ट करना चाहते हो, अगर आप एक सीरियस एस्पिरेंट हो, तो न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ोगे तो आपको पैसेज बेस्ड क्वेश्चन से ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी. एंड जो पैसेजेस थे वो मोस्टली करंट अफेयर्स बेस्ड थे. इवन जो आपके इंग्लिश के पैसेजेस थे ना, मोस्टली वो भी करंट अफेयर्स बेस्ड थे. तो रीडिंग न्यूज़पेपर इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. उससे आपकी वोकैबुलरी, जीके, लीगल एप्टीट्यूड सब कुछ इंप्रूव होता है. तो न्यूज़पेपर को हर रोज़ 1 आवर देना है. इंपॉर्टेंट न्यूज़ आपको मैं बता रही हूँ, और क्या चाहिए आप लोगों को. सो गाइस, दैट्स इट फॉर टुडेज वीडियो. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो वीडियो को लाइक कर देना, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना, कमेंट करके मुझे बता देना कि मैं आपकी कैसे हेल्प कर सकती हूँ. आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तब भी कमेंट करके मुझे बता देना, बिकॉज दैट मोटिवेट्स मी टू क्रिएट मोर एंड मोर वीडियोज फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू गाइज. लॉगिरी साइनिंग ऑफ. आई विल सी यू सुपर सून. Bye and take care.